How to build a filter with Streamlit and Python Panda. The cooking recipe is very easy. You just need to import two libraries, Panda and Streamlit. Then you have to record a CSV file on your server. In our example, we have built two filters on an Airbnb CSV file in order to find a flat in an area according to a max price choice. The code. We need first to build our Streamlit object before the Panda button. With Streamlit, you just need to use st_selectbox to create one. So we set a select box for the neighborhood and a select box for the max price. It's very easy. For the max price, Streamlit puts forward a slider with st_slider. Now we can see our Panda button which calls the two columns of our Panda CSV file price and neighborhood. In our cross-filter, price needs to be less than max price and neighborhood needs to be equal to the CSV column. We can see the result. In this example, we use the slider for the max price, but you can also use only a select box.